Alright friends, we're mobile. We're headed to Ikea to look at a couple of things. One, to look at plants, obviously, but I got my girl here with me, and we're actually going to be filming two videos today. One for my plant channel and one for the wedding channel, and we're going to be looking for some wedding decor, right Kristin?
Yeah.
So stay tuned, we're on our way. Finally made it through the maze of Ikea and made it to the plants department, and I'll tell you what, they are shrinking down their plant department. It is not what it used to be just a few months ago when I was here last. So let's take a look and see what they have. $4.99. These little cacti, pricklies. Kristin. Some Gasteria, little warty there. They have some 4-inch, looks like Enjoy, an aloe, some Echeverias. And these are $3.99. Tiger Jaws, Warthia, number 4, I think. And some more various jade, small jade plants. I mean, what little they do have is in good shape. See, they're all protected. And then they have like some terrarium plants. Some pothos, dracaenas, crotons. So these are $3.99 if you're looking to make a small terrarium. Well, they have a zebra plant here. $3.99 for the zebra plant. That's good. We have lots of pots. Lots and lots of pots. So over here, some more terrarium plants. These look like they're a little bit bigger. Anthuriums, $7.99. They're small, but they're in good shape. And then a pot of 3. Oh, it's so hard to tell the prices here at Ikea. Looks like $12.99 for the succulents that are 3 in a pot. Aloe. These don't look too good. Oh, this little Sansevieria is nice. $3.99 for that. That's a good deal. Little Sansevieria. Oh, little tiny orchids. $7.99 for the tiny mini Phalaenopsis. Peperomia, $7.99. Another peperomia here. That one's got some new leaves on it. $7.99. That's not bad. It's like the last one left. Let's see what they have over here. ZZ plants, which are $9.99 for 6-inch. It looks like, yeah, 6-inch, $9.99, which isn't bad. Grab a coffee in a coffee mug. Oh, better get there for the meeting. Dracaena. These need to be watered. They're light. Dracaena is $6.99. That's a good deal. Some of them have been cut and they've grown 3 stalks. nice. That's a nice plant, little light plant. So, yeah, this is very cool. Bromeliads, different sorts of bromeliads. Look at the colors on these. I would use this as a Christmas decor instead of a poinsettia. Look at the color on this. It's incredible. And those are $9.99 for 5-inch. And little palms. Tiny little palms. A little bit different golden pothos, but sad, sad. Oh no. I'm sorry, guys. They do have pretty phalaenopsis. Look at that. Beautiful. And the phalaenopsis are $14.99, which is not a bad price because these are big. These are very big plants. And oh, they have these balls. What are they called? To use for orchids instead of sphagnum moss. Don't know how much that is. Not listed. And some Sansevierias. Looks like $7.99. That's cheaper than Lowe's and Home Depot. $7.99 for these 6-inch Sansevieria. They don't have a whole lot of variety, but what they do have is in good health. Dracaena's a little bit bigger, $12.99. And some more Phalaenopsis. Now these are $19.99 on this side, I think because they're a little bigger. Peace lilies. These are in good shape. 6-inch for $12.99. Lots of new flowers about to open, and the leaves look nice and healthy. Look at that. See? Isn't that pretty? More bromeliads. You have to be so careful in how you water the bromeliads because they take their water in these little cups right in here, not down here. You have to water them within the cup. They're very pretty. And they have some nice jugs. Now here we got the large one, the large Dracaenas here. And these large ones are $12.99. So it's $12.99 for these large Dracaenas. They have one fiddle leaf fig tree. And I think this is $12.99. There's no other ones here. This is in good shape. For $12.99. I mean, it only has leaves on one side for some reason. But that's nice. Really large ones here. $34.99 for these really big ones. Looks like 5-gallon containers. It's like something you would find in an office, but if you need a corner with a nice big plant, they have, looks like 4 in a pot. $35 is not bad. Ravinia, $14.99. Palm. And money tree, braided money tree, $25. Those look healthy. Cornstalk, $25. And the one thing I love about Ikea is that they do have so many baskets and containers that you can decorate with to suit your home aesthetic. Just beautiful selection. But I'm really surprised. I don't know, it's because they're getting ready for Christmas or what, but the plant department here is just small and not a whole lot. I'm sorry, guys. We'll have to try another time. But thanks so much for joining me. It was a lot of fun. And if you did enjoy this little tag along, please do give it a like. Remember to subscribe if it's your first time here. You don't want to miss any of our adventures. And we will see you next time. Thanks so much, friends. Have a blessed day.